Hey guys, it's Adam here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make money on Clickbank without a website for free. And this works for, things other than just Clickbank. Okay, and I'll show you Clickbank alternatives you guys can use and start making some money. Okay, now this is not going to be a lot of money, and yes, it will require effort on your part too. Okay, no method, it's not a get rich quick scheme. So anyways, let's get started. So what you want to do is you just want to head over to the Clickbank Marketplace, just sign in and log in. And what you want to do is you just want to type in the keyword free. Now what you're going to do is essentially you're going to promote free plus shipping offers. Okay, so let me give you an example. Right here I have one of the products which is available on Clickbank. Okay, so what you do is I'll show you how to promote this, but what you do is this is just a product, right? They're giving it away for free. Obviously they need to pay for shipping and handling, as they say here. Just cover shipping and handling. So what you want to do is you want to promote this offer. This is not that hard to do. What you guys can do here, I'll show you. So what you want to do is you just want to head over to twitter.com. okay, you want to create an account. And I'll show you other ways to do this as well, but this is just one of the ways you guys can do it. So you log in and just type in giveaway, right? And now you see a lot of these people are doing giveaways. Like this guy, hi Bird, my giveaway will be, let's see, let me see. There was one where they did like a giveaway of something like this, right? Follow these two and then retweet, like, tag a friend, and then win, right? So what you guys can do is you guys can create, put in your affiliate link for this product right here. Okay, so so there's two ways to doing this, but giveaway is one of the ways you guys can do it. You can be like, we're giving, okay, so this might require money. The first way might require money if you're doing it this way. I mean, you can kind of do it a sneaky way, but I wouldn't suggest doing that. But so what you would say is you would be like, hey guys, I'm giving away a free natural sleep aid what do you call it, bottle, or what is this? Yeah, it's like a supplement for sleep, right? And then you explain the product a little bit, and then what you do is you tell them the rules. And it's gonna be follow us, retweet, like, and tag a friend. So people are gonna do that, and you're gonna get some engagement, right? And here's why I said it will cost some money, right? Because you do actually want to give away one of these, right? So you just purchase it for them, right? Or well, that's one way, right? And then what you do is after people like retweet and follow, you can actually in the comments just put in hey guys, if you actually want to get this for free, they're giving it away for free. I'm sponsored, you guys can use it through my link. And people are gonna go through here, and then they're just gonna, if they like the product, right, this looks like a decent landing page, but they look at this and they're just like, oh, you just gotta pay for shipping and handling, and today is free. More people are going to convert for this because it's only probably like $99 for this. Okay, and obviously there's upsells to this, so you might even make even more money. But yeah, and then the next up we have another one, which is this. Yes, you have a chance to own a brand new content, rich, easy to edit. I don't know what this is exactly, but look, they have like a free membership, and if they sign up or upgrade, you might get a commission. This is also a Clickbank product. Next up we have, not this one, this one right here. This is also a Clickbank product. It's called a Karambit knife. So they're giving this away for free. And you could do the same thing as I told you to do with the sleeping bottle supplement. But this would be like in the gaming niche, so you also want, this would work this would work decently because this is actually a knife in a game called CSGO Terabyte. And so you just want to go over pages which have CSGO, and then you could comment on them, saying, hey, they are giving away a Terabyte knife for free. Just cover shipping and handling. Or you could do a giveaway style like this. Next up, they also have this, which is this is on Clickbank. Get this T-shirt free from Gun Carrying Association. So what you guys can do, you guys can create a giveaway like this as well. You can also comment on gun related pages and just say, oh, they're giving away a free T-shirt. It's free. You just need to pay for shipping. Right, and then they have all the size available as well. So that's one way. And if you can't sign up for Clickbank, I'll go to this website called maxbounty.com. Now they have a lot more offers, like for example audiobooks.com, 30-day free trial. Boom, they have that. You get $15 per lead. Let's see, they have more. They do a lot of like free signups, per lead. You just need to pick a creative angle, and then just do it. Just go out there and start commenting, start messaging with people, creating tweets and whatnot. And I'll show you a way you guys can also do this on Instagram as well. But let's see, they have more offers as well. They have manga.game, which is a free trial. You get $22 per lead. So that's pretty good. Look, free sign up right here. They have free trial, free sign up, you get per lead. And then they also have look, 1 second. Look, they have free mystery box, right? There was also a free makeup kit, I believe so. Makeup kit, right here. Look, so they're giving away free makeup kits and whatnot. Yeah, they're giving away free makeup kits. They also had that for Kylie Cosmetics or something like that. I don't think they do anymore cosmetics, right? Something like this. But so this is just an affiliate network. It's like one of the largest ones other than Clickbank. And then they have a lot of different offers that you guys can promote. Okay, if you're doing this through Twitter and Instagram, I would stay away from things which cost more than $10, or they're not free plus shipping, or they're not they don't pay per sign up. You can obviously do it, but it's gonna be harder to do, right? Or you can, okay, so let me show you guys a way you can do this with Instagram. So you just head over to right here, and then as you can see, this person made up a whole Instagram account based on free makeup kit, like the max bounty offer I showed you guys. So you guys can also do this with a free Terabyte knife as well. Okay, but I'll do a different approach to this. Don't do something like this, because you're not gonna get a lot of followers. You're not gonna get a lot of good engagement. You want to create a page which is organic, it looks natural and everything, and then on top, then you want to advertise, oh, get free makeup, right? You don't want to just keep on pumping out this over and over and over again, right? You're not gonna last that long. So what you want to do is you want to make a post like a makeup tutorial or some other image or video, and then occasionally you want to put in one link and then tell people to follow. And now, how do you get followers, right? All you do basically is you just follow other people's followers, or what you want to do is you follow other people who like this or comment this. That's even better if you follow the people who commented. But now Instagram's getting much more stricter, so I would only recommend doing like 20 follows per day, 20 to 30 follows per day. Okay, if you want to be on the safe side, you don't want to like work all this and then get your Instagram banned in a second. So that's about it. So if you do this with the carbide knife, where was it? Right here, right? If you do this with this knife, you want to go, you can do a gaming niche with this one, right? And if you do this, if you want to do this, you create maybe here's a few possibilities you guys can do. You guys can promote this product through what do you call it? You would promote this product by creating a gun page on Instagram, right? So you show off, you showcase different guns or guns. That's one angle you guys can do. Second one would be you can create a giveaway Instagram channel, right? Where you buy a product, right? You buy one product and then you say it's a giveaway, which is totally illegal, okay? If you give away and you say it's a giveaway, but it's only for one, that's not going to cost you a lot, okay? So, I mean, I did say it's free, but that's just one way you guys can do it, and you can give away a lot of these products away, and then people will buy them as well because it's free, and you know they just cover the shipping. And you could also target this through the gaming niche. Not this. My bad, the camera knife. But you can cover this through American niche, right? Because this is an American gun. You could create like an all-American page with like fishing, outdoor hunting, things like that, and then you could just promote this T-shirt over there as well. Yeah, and maybe like a military look, like mysterious tactile gear. So you could create a tactile page as well by doing this. Okay, and there's a lot of different things you guys can give away like this, right? Like sleep support. You can also create like a whole sleep page. If you're like serious about this, you know, obviously you guys can actually create a landing page through ClickFunnels. I'll leave a link down in the description, and you just put your you just create a landing page, and then you just put in your affiliate link for this product. But you would obviously need to explain them, right, about the product. You'd be like, hey, you could create something like this. Okay, I'll give you an example. You could create like a baby page, and I don't know if this is safe to use for a baby or not. You make sure you check that out before actually promoting it. But let's assume if this is safe for a baby, and what you would do is you would create like a baby page, right? And then you would be like, guys, is your baby struggling to sleep, or are you struggling to sleep? As maybe you can also target pregnant mothers or just families in general, and create a landing page around that. You could use some of the information from here, maybe some of the images, although yeah, I guess they won't mind if you're promoting their product, right, using their images. But just yeah, that, and then you just put that in your link in the bio, and then you just start unfollowing and following people, and then also interacting with the community, doing Twitter, and that you can probably do probably get a couple of sales if you do this every single day, consistently, daily. But I mean, this is just one thing you guys can do for free, right? There's obviously better methods than something like this. Another free method you guys can do. Well, this is just a without a website. Is you could create a YouTube channel and just review products, right? You can just review certain products. You can also do price comparisons. You could also do what do you call it? Giving discount codes, because they also have discount codes that they offer to affiliates. Some of these programs. There's really a lot of things you guys can do, but on the free end of things, I'd still recommend a website. The reason for the website is, if you create a website, right, you kind of own the website. Like, you own it. No one's gonna take you down. If they take down your YouTube channel, you still have a website, right? And you could funnel all these people from Instagram to your page, from Pinterest, from Quora. You can do this on Quora as well too. Okay, just promote these products for free. You could also promote. You could also write blog articles, right, and then rank in Google. That's, you know, that's a much better business model and much more long term than doing something like this, because you'll constantly have to promote these offers and whatnot. But if you really want to, do this like full time and seriously, in the description I'll put in a affiliate marketing course. It's one of the best. It's not like your typical guru course, sell for 1,000, make money through courses. Nothing like that. It's by Franklin Hatchett, and the guy actually has websites which he's ranking on Google, and he's getting traffic, free traffic. He was one of the top affiliates for ClickFunnels and whatnot. It's a great course. You don't need it, but if you have the money and you want to do this seriously, that's a course I'd suggest, because it's not even that expensive. It's pretty cheap compared to most courses out there. Okay. I hope you guys like this video on how to make money with Clickbank. If you liked it, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.